Hello everybody, here we are, and in this live mainly we are gonna be ending, like we've been working on the backend of Brainly for a long time, and I think it's time to simply end it, and that is why we'll be just simply keep coding until the backend code has actually been written properly. It's something gonna be like that, and then we have to rewrite the backend too, so it's gonna be like quite something to get done, but okay, that's gonna be done really quick. Apart from it, there's one thing that seems to be missing, and that is the proper network connection. So I think I need to fix it, or it's gonna be fixed. Let me give it a try. If it gets fixed, that's great. If it doesn't get fixed, then I'll have to do something or the other. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. I think more or less it's gonna be the same, so don't really need to do anything right now. And as for the network connectivity, it must be quite good, I think. Like not that good, but it's kind of okay. Let's see. Taking too much time. That's okay. Meanwhile, I can. Okay, it is good, but not that good. That's not a problem. Right now, our main focus is simply to work on the backend section, so we will be working on that. If there's something we get, and then we'll be tackling with that. Okay, so here we are. The most important thing is the Brainly backend, and keep in mind there's a lot of cold like here. It's hard to sit without wearing the sweater and all. Okay, of course I was going through TypeScript class, but we can only go through it once this Brainly web is done by me. And get the code checked by AI. We have to get this code checked by AI. That is okay. We have to make it better ultimately. And there was another thing. I had to add an account delete functionality. So I think I should add it in here. Export. Let's make it quick. Of course, this can also be checked, by the way. Delete account is equal to async handler, async request response. And the good thing is that from today onwards I will be getting quite enough time, so it can easily be 5 to 6 hours minimum, and it can be more than that. The learning timing I'm talking about. Okay, so delete account, and this thing is here. When I'm deleting the account, I will have the user ID. So const user ID is equal to request.user/id, and if not user ID, if that's not present, in that case simply throw an error. That's gonna be an API error 400, and that would be like authentication is required. So 401 authentication is required, as simple as that. So this particular thing is done. Once this is done, then I have to simply delete the user. So const deleted user is equal to await user dot find one and delete, or I can say find by id and delete, find by id and delete, something like that. And I will give it the ID, and that's gonna be like user. I hope, yeah, that's gonna be user ID that I will be giving it, and this is how it's gonna be done. So if not deleted account, then throw new API error, and that's gonna be 400. And it could be like user not found, or user not found, or authentication is required, because we need to have that. Ultimately, okay, it could be anything. User not found, or authentication is required in both the cases. Let's see, simply go ahead. Once the user is deleted, const I need to remove the sensitive data from here on. So what can I do? Sanitized user, sanitized user is equal to remove sensitive data, and I will be giving it the object ID object, so that's gonna be deleted user, deleted user. Moreover, this is gonna be deleted user to object, and then I'm gonna convert it to an object. Once this conversion is done, this should not delete, this should be deleted, and okay, that's done. Apart from it, logger dot this is gonna be info if I'm not wrong, and the message is going to be user account deleted successfully. This thing is done. Okay, this spelling. And then the next thing that we have to provide it the metadata, and the metadata is gonna be the first of all email. Email is gonna be deleted user dot email, and I can give it the ID. I think that should be enough for now. The ID, so deleted user dot ID, as simple as that. So this much that I am actually sending it, and then at the end I can just simply return the response. Return the response dot status 200 dot JSON new API response 200 user account deleted successfully, and we have to send the data like the user. So the user is gonna be like user is equal to the sanitized user. Okay, let's do something. Sanitized deleted user. I'm gonna simply copy and paste this stuff from here on. So this particular thing is done. Okay, it seems to have done. By the way, I need to have a sanitized not really deleted account response. So let's go to types. Okay, then controllers. After controllers I have to go user controller. So this is the thing, and I need to have a response in here, and that's gonna be like delete account delete account response dot types dot ts. I have to generate the response in here, and it's gonna be quite like this. By the way, I will not be rewriting the things over and over. So I'm getting this, and okay, something's wrong. First of all, even this thing is wrong. Sanitized user types. Whoa. Forgot password response. Sanitized user. This sanitized user is from there. Okay, this is not. So go one step backward, and the sanitized user. This is the one that I'm looking for. So like this. Yeah. So this thing is done. Same thing I'll have to do in here. Just 2 steps back. something like that. Then forgot password response, so I will have this delete, not deleted actually, it should be delete account response that I will be exporting from here on. So this thing is done. Sanitize the user, that's gonna be the same each and every time. And once this particular thing is done, then I will be simply importing it from there on. So it's going to be generic actually, and would be I need to make some more changes. It should be capital, so control D, delete account response. Let's go there, and this could be delete account. Yeah, seems like we have done it, and this is not done yet. I know there's another thing that I have to do. I have to use a pre-tag, pre-middleware. So let's go to model. This is the model, and that user section that I need to worry about. And in here I have this pre-middleware. In here I have the methods. It's good that I have them. I need to have a user schema dot pre. I think there's something called delete one, find one, and delete, something like this. On this particular section I need to just call something. I will get the user info, and then I will get the user info, maybe something I will get in here in the props, and then as per that I have to just simply go ahead. I did it long time ago, so I need to go through it again. I made some of the projects too, but okay. Pre-middleware in pre-middleware in Mongoose. It's actually gonna be like that. Update, yeah, as guessed earlier, it is like it has these many things. So let's go through it as we have got it. Execution order, we can save it, we can remove, we can update, we can find one and delete, and we can aggregate. I think find one and delete is something that we need in here. And then the next callback that we have, so it's like save. Okay, Mongoose middleware schema pre-save, understanding Mongoose middleware in Node.js. It's better to understand it first. It's not like I'm doing it for the first time, but I did it a long time ago, and right now things are not there in my mind. That simply means I'm confused. That simply means I have to go through it. Save, validate, delete many. Oh, good one. Let's go through it. We'll go through the documentation right now. Once this thing is clear, then we'll simply be going ahead. Okay, this much is enough. Let me open YouTube in here. Okay, so understanding Mongoose middleware in Node.js. Mongoose is a powerful tool for Node.js developer. Working with a MongoDB database, it simplifies the data interactions and allows developers to moderate data with schemas, perform thread operations, and more. One of Mongoose's most powerful features is its middleware system. In this article, we'll explain the basics of Mongoose, including the thing that we need to worry about in here. Save, pre-save, then we'll get the next function, and that's it, done. Post middleware, save, and then at the end of the day when we post something, then this should happen. Pre-middleware, when we validate something, execute per validation logic for documents here, and even post we have in here. Then we have delete many. Model in middleware in Mongoose is designed for tasks that affect the entire collection, not just the individual documents. It's useful for actions that need to happen before or after making big changes to the data, like updating many items at once or deleting bunch of records. Execute, pre-delete. Okay, we have pre, we have post, and this is the delete many. And then we have aggregate, and after that we have find, we have then we have nothing. Okay, this is insane. How to decide which one to use? I worked on a project. What could be the name of that? Don't know. Talking about the projects, that must be which one? The project that actually I worked on. What could be that project? That was a blog project or something. I think in here I'm not sure whether I actually worked on like that. Calculator. to do. Well, there's nothing really special in it. This is not that I'm looking for. Require 14 TypeScript, Brainly, Ecom. This is just the front end code, wheat, white, whatever you call it. Then Brainly web, nothing special. Chat application, real-time chat application, not really something that I need. Postgres learning, not needed. 18.1 learning required Prisma Prisma test. Okay. The thing that is not here, so where could I have done that? Cohort projects, is there somewhere I created a blog website type something? Mega project, Sarvastra, file uploading, testing, Redux, code, config. I did it somewhere. What does this mean? Files, okay. Mega dot frontend domain cohort projects. How can I go through this thing? Frontend domain, FullStack, SQL projects, maybe. Interesting. It's hard to get that again. Backend, Python, Node.js, 20 testing, okay. I don't know where to look for that. So let's simply take the help of AI, or simply Google it a bit and get to know about the things. It's the easiest way to learn is to learn through AI. I just want to learn this thing, how this particular thing actually works. Well, the network connectivity is poor, I know that. Can't really do anything. Why is this not opening? Okay. How to use Mongoose pre-middleware, and how to decide which one to use, delete many, or find one and delete or others like that. So it's all about gonna be the learning thing. I hope I'm not gonna take lots of time, and that particular time will be saved if I actually take the help of AI. Okay, here we are. To use Mongoose pre-middleware, you define it on your scheme. Okay, I got it. For deciding it between delete many and similar delete methods, the choice depends on your use case, how many documents you want to delete, and whether you need access to the deleted document for further processing, like cascading deletes and with middleware. Okay. Using middleware, declare middleware before creating your model. That's right. I need to just do it like in here. Example, to perform an action before saving. Once you are saving something and you want to perform some action, that's okay. Choosing between delete many, find one, and others. First one is delete many. All matching data docs. Returns deleted docs. No. What does this mean? Okay. Query middleware triggered. Bulk delete where you don't need the deleted docs. Delete one. First one matching, no. Middleware, find one, yes. Find by ID and delete. Okay. Okay, guess what? I need some examples. Give me examples too. I think there are different types of queries related things. So I need to get that thing done too. Pre-middleware, save, delete many. We are getting next. This dot model dot find one. This dot get query. It's pissing off my mind. We are using this example using the find one and delete with a pre-middleware. We have this pre find one and delete async next const await this model find this dot query. Okay. Example number 2, user dot delete many active files. What should I do now? What could be the application that I actually worked on? It was long time ago, but in that application I used everything clearly. Now I forgot. Oh, let's check them out. Source, what is this? Authentication, auth by me. Is this something I need to worry about? User controllers. This is just simply auth, authentication peer class. Are not needed. Not this one, covered projects. Chat, currency converter, e-commerce, QS, not this ones too. Okay, I will definitely not have that in here. Source, even if that I have that file uploading, testing, code, and redux. This is the front end code. Controllers, model, what's the record file. Everything's gonna be related to that only. And that's right. So ultimately I will not get that thing in here too. Front end dominance, there is nothing. I haven't even started that. Full stack later. Oh, started working. User or controller. Okay, got some of the things done here, but this is not something that I'm looking for. Okay, that's one thing, one step back. Full stack SQL, not really. Code. I'm not even sure whether I have that thing in here. This is not. Projects by me, e-commerce, auth, next blog. How about this? Blog, auth, comment. I think this is the one. Let's see. Open it. Okay. So ultimately, if I have worked on this one, so that must be in the model user. This is the user schema that I have. Then wow. User schema method to save JSON. This is something that I created, and then I'm getting a function. And then okay, I'm not even sending the object. The same thing is getting converted. That's amazing. That's really amazing. Wow. That means you don't even need to send anything. That could be done like this only. Okay, this was the main feature that I was looking for. So find one and delete, I'm getting the next, then const filter is equal to this dot get filter. Where am I getting this from now? And I'm using find and delete get filter. What does this get filter do? I got the filter here. Await this model dot find one and filter. Okay. Delete likes and comments on other posts. Like delete not many. Comment delete many. Remove all post delete many. Next and something like this. This thing is done by the way in here. The another thing, let's go to comment. I don't have anything as such in here. And it should be max length.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright everybody, that was it for now, and mainly as far as that pre-middleware is concerned, though it took time, but ultimately I understood everything. So I have to get this functionality implemented over here. Unfortunately right now it can't be done. That means whenever I'm gonna be back, at that time this particular thing will be done. And as for getting this backend done, I hope today this is gonna be done for sure. So whenever I'm gonna be coming back, today we will get the backend done, and then we will be moving to the next functionality. So we will be getting this particular thing done, and once this is done, we will be checking the whole code base, and then we'll simply run the code that we have written and see whether we get some bugs or not, and we'll fix them. So this is how the plan is right now, and we will be following the same plan. Until this backend is done, we will not be moving to anything else today, and I hope by the evening it's gonna be done for sure, and this is all today's goal. By the way, I'll try to be back as soon as possible. Till then, take care, have a great day ahead, and keep up the good work.